This time we're supposed to subtract from each other two trigonometric forms. In order to do so, we're supposed to convert them to rectangular forms first. How we can do that? We simply multiply the coefficient, the magnitude of the phasor by every term inside of the parentheses. So I have 8 times cosine 20 degrees plus 8 times j sine 20 degrees, and I have negative 3 times cosine of negative 30 degrees, so I have negative 3 cosine negative 30 degrees, and I have negative 3 times negative j sine of negative 30 degrees. So I have negative times negative will give me positive, so I have plus 3j sine of negative 30 degrees. Use your calculator. 8 cosine 20 is equal 7.51 plus 8 times j sine 20 is equal j 2.73. Negative 3 cosine of negative 30 degrees is equal negative 2.59, and 3j sine negative 30 degrees is equal negative j 1.5. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. So I have 7.51 and negative 2.59 is equal 4.92. And I have j 2.73 minus j 1.5 is equal j 1.23. And this is the solution to my problem.